Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to build your LinkedIn.bio page, how to grow your LinkedIn.bio page, and then how to profit from it. Now if you don't know what a LinkedIn.bio page is, I'm not going to dive into that, but basically it's the link in your profile. So this is Instagram, there's a link, this is your LinkedIn.bio. I have plenty of other videos and you can watch those, but for now, let's dig into this. So I'm going to go step by step and show you exactly how to build a LinkedIn.bio page for a company or a business. In this example, what you want to do is log into your LinkedIn.bio page, create your project if you don't already have one. I've already created one, so here I'm going to create a new project link, and we're going to do this for Target. And we're going to build a LinkedIn.bio page for Target. So here we are. This is the blank editor, and it's our starting point. So the first thing you want to do is I've already labeled my URL with the name Target, and you can see this in the top here. So LinkedIn.bio. Now if I copy that and we take a look, this is what the page would look like. So here we are, we're on desktop, and this will format better on a phone, but for now we're going to do all of this on a PC. So we'll leave that up there, and now let's go back to the editor. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is you want to add your branding. In this case, we're going to add the logo of the company, and you'd probably want to add yours. So this is not the one I want, but let's try it again. This is the one we want. There we go. So if you've ever shopped at Target, you know exactly what this is. So there, I've added the logo. It's up in the top left or top right, and here's our instant preview. So I'm going to try to get through this as fast as I can. You can slow the video down if you want later. So for the title, now the title is really important because that's what's going to show in Google. So what you want to do is, I'm going to call this Target Corporation LinkInBio. Okay, and then for the description, we're going to try to get the purpose of Target. So let's see if they have a slogan, and they actually do. I've done a little bit of research. So if your business has a slogan, that's where you'd want to put it, is in the description field. So let's put that there. Okay, so there. Now, obviously, purple is not the color of Target. So let's go ahead and let's do a change on that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little mashup. I'm going to do a custom gradient. And for color number 1, let's take a look at their page. And if we go up, you will notice they use a little bit of an off color here. So let me see, which one did I want to go with? That's the red. Yeah, we'll go with that. So I use a color picker. This is a Chrome extension, and it picks the color from the web page. So let's see, is that the color I want? Yeah. Okay, so now that'll be my first color. This is going to be a long video, but if you bear with me, we'll get through it all. So that'll be the first color. The second color, let's go back to the page, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to pick this off, this little bit of red or pink. So let's do this. Okay, copy that color. Now for our second color, we're going to paste that code in there, and we're going to save it. So now you can see that background has changed. And then the next thing we want to do is change that text color because it's washed out. We'll just go with a black. So there you go. Now it's all black. Now we've got that going. Now the next thing we want to do is start adding our links. So the first thing you do is when you first create your page, we automatically give you a link. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. This is your affiliate link. So if you choose to, any user who visits your LinkedIn.bio and who clicks this link from your page, you'll get paid a commission. So anybody who signs up under your link, you automatically will start getting commissions. But we'll go over that in another video. So for now, let's just go ahead and let's go back to settings, and we'll leave the link for now. Let's go down into socials. Now we know that Target has all of their social media, and I've already done the work ahead of time. So let's take a look here. So we know that their Instagram page is this. So let's copy that, and let's go back to our editor, and let's scroll down to there. So we know that their Instagram name is Target. Now if I look here at the editor, okay, there we got that. Now let's go over to their Twitter name, which is Target, of course. And so if you know all of your social media, you just go ahead and add it all in here. And I'll pause the video while I do this, and then we will resume. Okay guys, so I've taken the time to add all of the various social medias. So we have their Facebook, their Instagram, their Twitter account, their YouTube channel, their LinkedIn page, and their Pinterest page. Now if you look in the editor, you can see that they're white. Clearly that isn't going to work for us. So what we want to do is we want to change out that color. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we want to do, click the button color menu, and I've already got the color that I want. So there's the red, save it. So now look how it pops. Looks really good, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the real page, and there you go. So now we have all of the social media pages linked from the or linked for Target. So there you go, and that's really cool. So let's keep moving. Okay, so what I want to do is let's go back to the links tab up here, and we're going to add some new content. Now click on the create button and go to the YouTube live option. You'll see this right in the middle. Click that. What we're going to do is anytime first of all we're going to add or embed the target video. So let's take a look at their YouTube page. You'll see that they have a video right here, and if we click on their videos, 5 days ago they uploaded a new video. So what we want to do is, if we go back, grab what you would do is grab your page. So if you have a YouTube channel, copy that URL, and we're going to add that URL here into the channel URL. And what we want to do is we want this page to always update with the latest YouTube video. So watch this. Here we go. Okay, so now that we have the URL, let's update the page. Bam. There you go. So now you have the latest YouTube video from your channel, which is awesome. So this is like almost the perfect link in bio page. Now, if you want to add a specific link, so for instance, let's say you have a Shopify store, or you're using maybe a WordPress site, or something of that nature, you can start adding more links. So what you want to do is, with Target, let's just add a new link for the sake of it, and we'll just put in their website, Target.com. Let's add that URL. And now we should have a link or a button at the very bottom. And what I'm going to do, I'll probably just leave that right there. But if you wanted to change the order, you can drag the order. See that? And now we can switch it. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it like that. And what we're going to do is let's change this button. Or this one, actually. Let's go to edit. Okay, so here we have the properties of your link. Now you can notice that the text is black. So what we could do is let's change that text to Target website. There you go. Now if you want to add an icon, you could do it an icon ahead. So let's do shopping. We'll put a shopping cart in front of it. So there. Now we have a little shopping cart icon, and this will link to their website. Let's update their page and take a look. And there you go. Here's a link. Perfect, right? So if you have a lot more links, which most people will, you will want to start going through and adding them all right here. So you have a lot of options here. You can add links. You can add the affiliate link. So if you want to make commissions with LinkInBio. Another cool thing is text. So let me show you that real quick. So adding a text module, we can separate the links between different blocks. So let's put in shopping, and then we'll put in, how about Target near you? So what we're going to do is add that block, and what we need to do is change that color. So title color, let's go with black, and description color, we'll go with black. So you can customize this in any way you want. So now you'll see here at the very bottom as a preview. What I might do is I'm going to drag that and put that between these two. Now let's update the page and take a look. There you go. So we have the title, we have the description, we have their latest video, and then we have a new block, and then we have the first link that goes to their website, or it could be to your website, maybe your blog, and then we have all of the social media links. So you can see where we're going with this. So there's a lot of options and a lot of possibilities for you. And you can just explore everything into this create tag or link, You can embed SoundCloud. You can embed a specific YouTube video. You can embed the latest video from your YouTube channel. You can embed your Twitch channel. You can embed a Vimeo, a specific Vimeo video. If you do Spotify, you can add those. If you do TikTok, you can add your TikTok videos, so you can embed that, which is great because if you're going to use your link in bio on Instagram, you could have your latest TikTok video embedded. So now your Instagram followers are watching your TikTok videos, which is pretty cool. And you can do the reverse. If you want to collect emails, you can sign up with MailChimp and you can connect a form. And then if you want to add a PDF, so sometimes you might want to add some educational material or you have some sort of information in a PDF format, you can link directly to a PDF file from your link in bio. So we let you do that. And then Instagram feed is a new feature that we're working on where you will be able to import all of your Instagram photos into your link in bio. And then each image, you'll be able to link that image to a specific URL. So for instance, if you're taking a picture of maybe a watch that you sell, take a picture of the watch and then you can link that image, your Instagram image, directly to where they can buy that watch. So now that's pretty much the basics of how to build a link in bio page. In part 2, we'll get more into the SEO and I'll show you how to get it to rank in Google and the steps that I use to get Google to index it. So what we want to do is we want to get Google to actually recognize your page and put you into the Google search results. So that's it for now. So part 2 is coming soon and we will see you in the next video.